Hello. Sorry for the drink in the way. Welcome to my fourth and final video of candy tasting. So, I have 2 chocolates and some other candies. I've got these things. They're called Push Pop Gummy Roll. I have Berry Blast. Oops. Strawberry. Watermelon. And blue raspberry. And then for my chocolate ones, I've already tried these, but I'm doing a video on them so I can let everybody else know how they are, besides my daughter and friends. I have the Twix Cookies and Cream. They're really good. My daughter don't like them. But this one I came across yesterday. Or was it yesterday? Was it yesterday? It was either yesterday or Sunday. No, it was yesterday. Anyway, it comes with 2 bars. Anyway, it's Milky Way. I don't eat Milky Way. I'm very particular about my candy bars. But anyway, I got this one because it's the salted caramel. So, I'm going to go ahead and... These have not been opened at all. I have not opened them. I've been tempted to. I'm going to try the Berry Blast first. Okay. Well, if I can. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Alright, it comes with a little instruction thing. It says how to enjoy. So, I guess we do that. We pull. Huh. Press down to tear. Okay. I'm gonna open that. Ooh. There's sugar in that. Not really crazy about it. Okay, I don't like that one. Give it to Peggy. Golly. I don't understand why they make packages so hard to open. There we go. Finally. Thought I was going to be here in a year. 1. Pull back. Press down. Push forward to dispense candy. Press down to tear candy. Eat and enjoy. So what you do is, I guess you pull it back. You press down. Push forward. Oh! That's how you do it. And then push down to tear it. Well, maybe I'm pulling it a little too much. Alright, let's push down so I can tear it. Oh, gosh. Alright. But anyway, I've got sugar all over me. Alright. What goes with that? Okay, I don't like that one. Okay, since I've already tried this one, I'll make that one last, but I'm going to try this. And it's weird, too, because it has, if you don't want to eat both of them, it has a little thing here that says, twist to, save one for later. Twist to close. So I guess you open it like this. Smells good. Alright, let's see if we can push that out. Okay, twist to close. There we go. That's what the inside looks like. It has a lot of caramel. It's really good. Well, all right. I'm about ready to go get some freaking scissors. This is really irritating me. That's the way to do it. Just rip the sucker open. I got me a plate over there. I made me some, Alright. This one is the blue raspberry. I don't know how it's going to taste with the chocolate, but let's see if we can. Alright, I'm going to push forward. Yeah, lock it in, I guess. Push forward to right here, I guess. Push down. Hmm. Alright, now I'm trying the watermelon one. Watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon. Alright. Oh, the watermelon one's actually pretty cool. Hang on. The watermelon one is actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright, now we have last but not least, strawberry. Okay. Now. Oh. These are really cute. This is what the strawberry one looks like. But, yeah. And then we have these, the little Twix cookies and cream. And that's what the inside looks like. I love Twix, but these are my favorite. Anyway, so I hope everyone has a great Tuesday. But I rate this out of 10. Out of 10. That I give it a 9, maybe an 8. The watermelon gets a 9. The berry blast gets a solid 6. Strawberry gets a 9. And the blue raspberry gets a 9. So, but if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my most recent video. Me trying the pretzel chicken pub sandwich from Wendy's. So, I had to get a picture of that. But anyway, I hope everyone has a great Tuesday. Enjoy yourselves, and I'm sorry for the rant on my video last night. I was just upset about something, but I think it got all worked out. But anyway, catch me in my next video where I test something different or cook something, just whatever I'm in the mood to make a video of. I am going to be making a video of the Travis Scott burger and the pub fries from Wendy's, but the Travis Scott meal from McDonald's. I want to try the burger, but I don't like ketchup, so I'm just going to probably have to just deal with it. So, take care.